Let's try something different today and make pork satay. I'm gonna start by prepping the marinade, and for that I'm going with fresh ginger, shallot, turmeric, garlic, brown sugar, chili powder, coriander, cayenne, rice vinegar, soy sauce, fish sauce, and fresh cilantro. Blend all that together and this should make for a tasty marinade. The cut of pork that I'm using is a bone-in pork shoulder. You can go with any cut that you might have on hand. I find that the pork shoulder works well because it's a good mix of fatty pork, lean pork. Cut that pork off and then just trim off any hard pieces of fat and then cube it up into 1 by 1 inch pieces. Cut off the meat of the bone and do the same thing, cubing it up. This will allow it to cook evenly and make for a better final product. And check that out, that looks pretty good to me. Pork goes in a bowl, salt, and then cover with your marinade, mix it thoroughly, and let this marinate at least overnight for maximum flavor. The next day, take it out of the marinade, and I'm using this 3-way skewer to skewer up the pork, and this is gonna hit the grill. The nice thing about this 3-way skewer is that it makes it easy to flip everything over. Pork hits the big green egg at about 350 degrees directly over charcoal, flipping every 3 or 4 minutes until fully cooked, and check that out. That looks unbelievable. Total cook time was about 15 minutes. Pull it off when the pork hits about 160 internal. Remove it from the 3-way skewer, which again is pretty easy. Top with some green onions, and this pork looks and smells unbelievable, and it turned out delicious.